Nation.
Yo, what's up, interwebs? It's that guy here, knotlocks, not nation. Jay-Z, his locks definitely worth talking about once again, only because I finally found some footage of him with his freeform locks in motion. Up until this point, we have been looking at photos, and it's nice to see some video of his hair. Before we jump into this video, I'd like to thank our sponsor of this video. There's no sponsor, but blaze one if you have one. But yes, essentially, this clip was of Jay-Z speaking about his new cannabis company, being one of the first black businesses in the cannabis industry, and how the cannabis sector kind of still discriminates against the black community because it's primarily a white-run sector right now, and most people in jail for it are the black men. And it's like, yeah, it's discrimination. A lot more black people run businesses in the cannabis sector. Expunge their records if they have one, so that they can get released from jail and become businessmen in this sector. It's only fair with cannabis legalization going worldwide right now. But more than that, Jay-Z's locks. I mean, I don't know how long he's been growing them for, but right now they're starting to get some hang time. And I noticed on Jay-Z's hairline at the front, he's kind of got that vampire V look happening right here, which is an excellent sign, because normally men in his age, his hairline is moving back, but it seems like his hairline is actually growing forward, making me think that maybe Jay-Z is not mortal. Someone in the comments on my last video about Jay-Z was mentioning that they feel that his locks aren't exactly freeform, but more semi-freeform, where he would have had a loctician create them into the shapes that they are now, more of a freeform guidance. Apparently Jay-Z is after that Basquiat inspiration for his locks, and he had asked a loctician to shape these in a way similar to his. But you know, these are just allegations. I'm not really too sure if it's something, but I will just entertain the idea of it. I'm happy to see that, you know, his locks are growing lengthy. They're starting to fall down to the side of his face and to his head now, gaining that weight. And if I were to guess how many locks that he actually has, definitely under 20. I can count 15 from what I can see at the front of this video right now. But he's probably around that 20 mark. Just happy to see people still inspired, committed, dedicated to this journey. And the great thing about freeform locks is that it's not the destination, it's all about the journey itself. Embrace it, really live it, experience it, and express yourself fully on this journey, because it's going through the hardships and the trials of getting to where you want to be. Those are the parts you're going to remember most. And this goes with much like anything in life. When you set a goal and you reach it, cherish the journey more so than completing the goal itself, because a lot of people will end up getting to the goal and not even really feeling a ways and just being like, okay, what's next? Like, they forget about the whole journey they took to get to that point. And when you're on the journey, it's quite often to forget as well that the journey is the most cherishable part. That's really all I gotta say today. And you know, quick update on Jay-Z's locks. My locks doing pretty okay themselves, nothing too crazy, but they're looking fire. I did see that Zaylock trimmed his 10-year locks today. Gets me thinking about I might trim my hair a little bit sooner than that 10-year mark, because I too am feeling the weight of the locks. But let's not choose any harsh or let's not go with any rash decisions here, because I'm not doing it just yet. But the idea is floating around. Mainly this one specifically I want to trim. The first wick that I did. This one gets in my way the most. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about Jay-Z's locks down in the comments. And I'm happy to see you guys back here watching the videos. And definitely smash that like button down below if you haven't already. It helps the video get out there on the algorithmic ways of life on the internet. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below in the comments section, or email me, knotlocks@gmail.com. You can always hit me up on Instagram as well, KnotNation. I'm also on Reddit, reddit.com/KnotNation. You can post your pictures of your locks. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace out, one love, so happy and natty. I'm gone. Adios.